Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment provides expert water service installs in Los Gatos, California 95030, offering a wide range of solutions such as plumbing system installations, energy-efficient water heaters, and advanced options like heat pump and hybrid systems. Our team specializes in trenchless pipe installations, leak repairs, and clogged sewer solutions while delivering tailored, energy-saving services that integrate seamlessly with heating and cooling systems, ensuring long-lasting performance and exceptional quality. Are you looking for water service installs in Los Gatos, California 95030? You can stop looking, you found Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment. What types of water service installs do you provide in Los Gatos, California 95030? Our water service installs in Los Gatos, California 95030 include plumbing system setups, energy-efficient water heaters, on-demand, hybrid, solar-powered, and heat pump systems. We also provide trenchless pipe installations, repair leaks, and resolve clogged sewer issues, ensuring reliable and efficient performance for every project. What is the cost estimate for water service installs in Los Gatos, California 95030? The cost of water service installs in Los Gatos, California 95030 depends on factors such as the project scope, the chosen system, and your property's unique requirements. Our team offers customized estimates after a thorough consultation and assessment to ensure transparency and accurate pricing. What is the service area of Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment? Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment provides services in various locations around Scotts Valley, including Bonny Doon, Rio Del Mar, Aptos, Boulder Creek, Chemeketa Park, Brookdale, Capitola, Soquel, Live Oak, Lomond, Seabright, Olympia, Mount Hermon, Laurel, Felton, and Santa Cruz. Where is Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment located in Los Gatos, California? We are located at 4736 Scotts Valley Drive Avenue Suite 50, Scotts Valley, California 95066. Our phone number is 831-292-5238. Visit our website at www.santacruzplumbingrepair.com/Scots-Valley-Plumbing-Draining-Water-Heater-Repair